Approaching a left turn with a hazard cyclist. We need to keep an eye out on those pedestrians on the right-hand side just in case they walk out. Once we get past this parked car on the left-hand side, we're going to check the interior left mirror and get the position back to being approximately 1 metre away from the curb. Windscreen reference is curb, left quarter windscreen. We can identify the left junction ahead by the footpath stopping and also notice the big gap between the houses. We are approximately 8 car lengths away. Check our interior mirror and the left mirror to make sure it's safe both behind and to the left of our vehicle. We're now about 7 car lengths away. We need to put the left indicator on to show that we intend to turn left. We have a great road position here, 1 metre away from the curb. Looking ahead, we're about 5 car lengths away from the road on the left. Foot off the accelerator as it's time to start reducing our speed to assess what speed we need for this junction. We're checking for any parked cars or potential hazards. 4 car lengths from entry and this junction looks clear and open, so brake to 10 miles per hour. Decision time now as we're 2 car lengths away from entry. Do we need to slow down here? Now notice that a cyclist has appeared from the road that we're going to enter. Start braking so we assess what this cyclist is doing. He should stop. The rules of the road tell him to stop, but let's see what happens. The cyclist hasn't stopped. Brake firmly. The cyclist has rode out in front of us and has now created a dangerous situation. He is also on our side of the road. Because of his actions, our opportunity to turn safely into the new road has gone. We must now wait until it's safe. Now that the cyclist has safely moved back to his side of the road, we can proceed. Can you see our left door mirror is level with the edge of the curb? This is our point of turn for turning left. Feed the steering wheel full lock to the left. Once we're 3/4 of the way into the new road, it's time to countersteer back to the right. See how the steering wheel is back straight just as our wheels are straight. By using the windscreen reference of the edge of the curb at a quarter windscreen, we'll be back to 1 metre away from the curb. Check the interior mirror to see what's happening behind us, and then the right door mirror in case someone is overtaking us. It's safe from all around and behind the vehicle. We can start to accelerate, build up speed, and then drive down the road.